It's important as parents to restrict or at least monitor which apps our children or teenagers are installing onto their phone. You can always go through the process of restricting and turning off the ability to download new apps or to restrict specific apps from being downloaded onto your phone. I'll show you exactly how to do it. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on Screen Time midway down. Scroll down again. Tap on Lock Screen Time Settings and enter in a passcode. This passcode needs to be different from the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone. It's essentially something that only you will know, but no one else knows. So I'm going to just enter 1111. Of course, choose something a bit more difficult. You can choose to set up a screen time password recovery, but in my case, I'm just going to hit cancel and skip. Now let's restrict access to downloading apps. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn it on at the top here. Enter in that screen time passcode. And you have two different options. One is to completely disable the App Store on your son or daughter or teenager's phone. To do that, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. And next to Installing Apps, tap on Allow and switch this to Don't Allow. Now they won't be able to download and install any new apps. However, let's say you want them to be able to download apps, but you don't want them to be able to download certain apps that are rated for adults. You can do that as well. Switch this to Allow and go back. Tap the back arrow again, and instead of that, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. From here, tap on Apps midway down, and you can see the current apps are rated to 18+. If you have a daughter or son that is 13 or 9 or 4, you can set the age range for those apps, essentially allowing them to download only a subset of apps that are age appropriate for them. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.